In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Atherosclerosis, and we are looking at its risk factors. So under the risk factors of atherosclerosis, it is non-modifiable, modifiable. So let's look at the non-modifiable. So non-modifiable includes the constitutional. So under the constitutional, there is the genetic abnormalities. So there is genetic abnormalities. Then comes the presence of the family history. So there's genetic abnormalities, there's family history. Then comes the increase in the age. There's increase in the age as well as the presence of the male gender. So all this comes under the non-modifiable or the constitutional. So it's the age, family history, male gender as well. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.